sumaya, mapipikon na ako. Kasi ayoko na ng malamig. 16 degrees daw, tanghali. Free wifi para ma-chat ko si dad. Sunduin niya si Noah. Excited na siyang makita si Noah. Pokemon meet and greet. Smells like Japan!
Asmo cards.
Sanrio.
Ay, naka-ano na ba? Naka-record na ako. Hi, fans!
Kevin! Si Noah beer agad. Itadakimasu! Curry pa rin hanggang sa Japan.
Japanese lasa.
Nande.
Oh.
Nande?
Nande.
これはごぼう。これはボボ。
Punta na kami sa bahay nila, Dad.
Yeah.
Na may multo daw.
Hello.
Ano yung pasalubong mo sa akin? Brim from bench?
Baleno.
Baleno? What is baleno?
Wala kasi bench doon sa binila namin
Natatouch ako
eh.
sobrang ito. Umiyak siya.
Brief lang, masaya na siya.
Yeah.
Artisan.
Wow.
Yan yung unaro. Tapos browas and lengua de gato.
Wow, thank you, Pam. Ano mo kung video yung hair ko ganito?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Kardo ba itong bakal yan eh? Natatai ako.
Tumahi ka na! Cute, di ba, Pam? Bagay sa'yo.
How do you feel?
Hindi dapat ako sasama sa supermarket pero natatakot ako mag-isa.
You can stay in the house.
No one said that this is his weather, his climate, and his country. Pero nginig na nginig siya ngayon.
Di oh.
Grabe, may parking sila ng bike.
Ganda nga eh. Parking ng bike.
Tapos walang magnanakaw.
This is Pam, by the way. She's just, you can see her face lang.
Ano to? Cheese pan? Creme brulee ba to?
Lab.
Tingnan mo, may mga pizza slices.
Mamon.
Samo? Samo? Ano? Lamig-lamig na nga, mag-ice cream pa. Service shopping. Rolling.
How are you? Day 1 frozen girl. She has eye heaters, the hand warmer. And then we have a heater now, and Tito are taking care of Pam.
Saya, lamig. Tapos mamaya mapipikon na ako. Kasi ayoko na ng malamig.
Day 1! Woo!
Pam, take this off.
No.
Warm socks.
May pasyente agad.
Yes.
Wash pa lang.
Day 1, we have a patient already.
Thank you.
Just leave it like that.
Game room setup. Hello. I was able to sleep on the plane 4
Hindi ako
hours.
nakasleep.
Because she was watching.
Sino si Inferno? Mukha akong pasyente dyan. Hindi ka mo.
We don't need to shower pala because it's freezing.
Okay.
So we'll shower tomorrow morning. So if you see me in these clothes again, don't mind that. I'll change my undershirt, I promise. Oh yes, suminasay.
Aray ko!
Ay, sorry.
Morning! Day 2 na. Atid kami ni Dad sa train station. Wow! Morning nagbago ng suot ah. Hindi na talaga naligo. Kala ko maliligo ako last night. Hindi ko kaya talaga. Mamaya na lang. Ganda naman ng village nyo. Wow, village ba tawag dito? Barangay.
BTS fan ka pala.
Ayun ba yun?
We're in Tokyo Sky 3 now. We just took the train.
Gusto ko i-try yung Kirby Cafe. Kasi last punta ko dito, Kirby Siopaw lang natin. Sobrang lamig! Ang haba ng pila! Oh? Tignan nyo yung Sky 3.
Uy, sorry dog.
Alam nyo ba si Noah umiyak bago kami umalis kasi iwan niya daw si Carrot. Ano na namang nahanap mo? Kimetsu no
우회전 taking a ride to Jonah Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라
Nawakun in Skytree Tembo Galleria. Hindi kita dito. Pero ayan yung Mount Fuji.
Fuji. We just finished the Skytree and we're gonna do all the touristy stuff.
Pagod na yarn. Meron kaming combo ticket, Skytree and Sumida Aquarium galing sa Klook.
We finished the museum thing. That was so fun. If ever you're here in Tokyo, Sumida Aquarium. Super fun.
Sumida, I'm the mafia.
We're in Loft now. And
Ano binibidyoan mo?
you. Ay, the last two pieces of the
Sun Angel Valentine's figure. Momo meet and greet and Yaji.
Yeji meet and greet. Got the top she's looking for here in Diesel.
Binili ko yung tube na butas.
Unforgiven.
Tapos nagkaka-cleavage ako dito sa D. D for Dede.
Yeah. So we saw this made in Hokkaido store. Haneru. What are Castellas?
Bunnies! What's your ETA?
Oh my God, ang bango. Sobrang
Let's try
bango.
one.
Sino? Wala paso sa Japan. Mayroon? Hindi.
More. Super duper harap.
Eh, baka nag-OA ka lang ah.
Try this. Skytree second floor. It's like butter and bread. And chocolate.
Yakiniku.
What did you order?
Yakiniku. Salad?
This is my order. It's Wagyu curry.
Wait, ano title ng restaurant?
Fukuju.
Sarap, grabe. Nakaubos ako ng isang platong sukiyaki.
Delicious.
Delicious. Magkano bill natin?
Mahal. Sa mamahalam, 19,000. Don, donkey. I was here for 3 hours last time.
Japanese condom.
It's a balloon for kids. Yeah, we went to do it.
Dalagay ko yung gamit ko dyan. Oh my gosh. Nakakatakot.
Okay, try.
Kaya ko ba?
Sabi mo, magaling ka.
Wait, ma'am. There's a...
There's a will, there's a way.
Pami's practicing riding in Japan. Uy, sabi niya magaling siya.
Ang bigat na to! Dad, mabigat yan!
Sige, go. I'll video you.
Don't get in the middle.
I can really bike, she just makes fun of me.
Noah! Slow! Hindi kasi ito marunong magbike eh. Sa Pinas kasi nasagasaan siya 3 beses, tapos binenta niya yung bike niya. Wawa. Nag-enjoy na.
I love you. Oh, goodbye. That's my boy.
Pwede ba ipakita sa vlog yung bahay niya?
Oh, okay. Go show them.
This is my dad's house in Japan.
Suingu.
Ito yun.
Suingu. We're going to Nakano. It's like an alternative for Akihabara for toy shopping. So a lot of second-hand stores.
May dala kami heating add-on.
Yeah, it's cold. But not as cold as yesterday.
Cairo.
Karto, Batumba.
Bakal des. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Oh, yes.
Oyasumi.
Oh, yes. See you guys there.
Japanese school. Tapos may baseball training. Wow! Ang ganda naman ng environment dito. Ang linis talaga. What the heck? Turepak Treasure Factory. Oh, may mga guitar. And jackets. And bikes. And sofa. Ay! Oh my God, muntik pa ako masagasaan. Sayang, clickbait oh. Nasagasaan ako sa Japan. Para ba itong second-hand store?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Oo nga eh. Uy? Oh, original yan? Dad, may mga designer bags din pala dun. Na mura lang.
Yes. Because it's second hand.
Pero original yan, no?
Yes, of course.
Pati TV. Pati washing machine. Ito yung designer. Oh, tiga mo, may Fendi na hat. Naku.
There's a lot of bags.
Uy, naku, Patagonia. Pati bike.
Oh, look, this is apat na lapad.
Balik tayo. Love, balik tayo.
I live here.
Tsaka hindi maalikabok. Levi's!
Oh, nice.
Dad, anong pangalan ng store na to?
Treasure Factory. We
Malapit
call
sa bahay nila.
We call it Trefac.
Ito na wa. Ba't ang ganda ng lahat? Naku, yari tayo. Ukay Challenge in Japan.
This is Ukay Ukay. Take care.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye, Dad. Fit check. Ang ganda rin ng CR sa mga train station. Wala. Oh, Nakano Shopping by Noah.
From JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Iggy.
And Goku.
Rengoku from Bikomachi. Wow! Congrats! At si Pam hindi pa nagsha-shopping. Congrats talaga. What's up, Tokyo? About to drive to resuscitate me. You fucking hate me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. You love crazy for you.
You know I love you so. Hey, 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 hey.
Itakimasu! Uy, kasama ka. Saan sila sa second-hand game shop and figurines. Pwede mo na siya iwan dito.
Let's go to Trefac.
Trefac na tayo. Iwan na si Noah dito. Trefac! Treasure Factory. Vintage Dior.
Christian Dior.
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh she's mine 놓칠까 달렸던 나 Let's just take it slowly 잊어먹던 때 같은 곳을 바라보고 있잖아 Go anywhere you want to underneath the pressure